Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax here. Do a quick video presentation of this Dorado 225 Scout. It's a 2015 year model. Walking around, it's got the gray color, tan bim top, stainless windshield. Scout has a flip down swim platform or flip down step on the platforms. Boat is equipped with trim tabs, does have a Garmin combo GPS chart plotter, Yamaha 200 horsepower engine, stainless steel prop. Flip this ladder down and step aboard and do a quick walkthrough on the inside. Stepping up, got a few leaves in it, but all in all the boat is pretty clean. I got Helm Seat here, Garmin combo unit I was telling you about with sounder in through-hole sounder, Yamaha electronic gauges, Winco trim tabs, stereo, VHF radio, your power management battery switch down there. Boat does have bow cushions. Coming forward, this flips down, turns into a table. This compartment flips up and you've got a cooler. Anchor storage, dedicated anchor storage. Both these hatches flip up for storage. Coming to the back here, you got some storage under consoles. Great place to put life jackets and kind of stuff there. And then you've got the passenger side part of the console that opens up. You could put a small head in there or a great storage without the head. Flipping around, passenger seat. You got the wake gate or surf gate that flips up, so you've got storage under one, live well on the other, and then this flips up when the motor's trimmed down, and this seat goes forward there to make this aft area a bench. Also, we've got some storage here that flips up. In deck storage there. Again, this is Andy Farmer with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Just slow down a bit here. Shoot over at the helm again. Again, roughly, I think the hour meter says 130 hours. We're going to call it 150 hours to be safe. Very light use on this boat. Nice heavy duty, heavy gauge, stainless rub rail, stainless windshield you can see there. Walking back, got just some pine straw and leaves from the trees that in the yard today, but well equipped 22-foot Scout, year model 2015. Just wanted to do the quick video walkthrough. I got the port side on my way into the boat. I'm going to jump out here, take a look at starboard side for you. Gray hull color, pretty good shape. There's a few scuffs on the other side. The trailer is a 2013. Tires are 2013 as well. Brakes have not been serviced. Got a little nick there, or looks like maybe that was set on the dock and messed up the boot stripe a little bit. Come around, see trailer, 2-inch ball. Again, heavy gauge, stainless. Handrail. Scroll through one more time for you. Flip this ladder up. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Call us for more details. Love to show you this 2015 Scout 225 Dorado. Thanks, have a good day.